How to upload video on TikTok from gallery. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to upload video on TikTok from gallery. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log in on your TikTok account in order to upload any video from your gallery. Tap on this plus button at the bottom center of the screen and then allow TikTok to take pictures and record video by tapping on the plus or while using the app icon or button. Once you get access to this camera section page, in order to upload video from gallery, you have to choose the gallery icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your gallery page, and you need to select any specific video that you want to upload on TikTok. So let's do it. From this video section, you can easily select multiple videos as well if you wish to, or if you wish to select a single one, you can also select as per your choice. You simply need to tap on the particular video and after select it, tap on the next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this section, you can easily add sound and customize this video by adding text, stickers, filters, and many more. Once you are done, tap the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can easily describe about your video, use the hashtags, add links, and many more settings. And tap the post button at bottom right corner of the screen. And after a few certain time, it will be uploaded to your profile on TikTok. So that's it. That is how we can easily upload video on TikTok from gallery. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.